at me in Italian? Go ahead. Go ahead, yell at me in Italian. It's very funny when you do. Whoa, whoa, where are you going? He's finally getting used to the sand. Come on, buddy. Wheelbarrow in the sand. There you go. Meanwhile, the birds lurk, coming to pick up Nate's lunch. There we go. Ow. Here we go. He's thinking about it. Meanwhile, NC's thinking about getting in sand. Oh, here comes the bird. Oh, watch out, said that bird. Come on, I'm not going to mess with you, birdie. You can have Nate's lunch. I bet one of the babies comes by. He'll take his food. They're not smart enough to know any better. What you doing, buddy? You going to get in the sand? Can you play with Mommy's bathing suit? Oh, oh, here, little bird, thanks for the treat, stupid. Meanwhile, big bird's too scared. Ow, Nate, don't eat my hair. It's not dental floss. Ow, ow, ow. Yep, see, little bird's not scared. Big bird, he's scared. Ow, ow, baby. Okay, I gotta go. Baby's pulling all my hair out.